Hello, good morning. It's a late start today. This morning I've actually just been working. I've got to do a load of interviews, so I got them all done in one morning. And whoop, kids running around everywhere. So yeah, got those interviews done with staff members, the volunteers, and a couple of the kids. And this afternoon we are going to like a cultural event, and then to the market. Let's do it. Hello, so we just arrived at the Bomes of Kenya. Going to watch a traditional cultural show and check it. Look at this place. Very impressive. Whoa! Oh, that was so high. What? What? Wow. Whoa, man. Look at the strength! Uh-oh. How sick was that? Entertaining, man. So entertaining. Yeah, I think those guys have been on Kenya's Got Talent. We googled them after. Well, what? Baboon! Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, baboon! I would not be going near him. And now we're going to Masai Market, which is near here. have a little shop, and then we're heading back. And we just made it. We got 30 minutes to order a burger, go to the market, get the burger, and get the hell out of it. That's the burger ordered. Now to the market. So just left the market. I couldn't film in there because if you film, they try and make you pay them, and I'm not about that. And they're just constantly bombarding you. You have to haggle for everything, and I usually hate that back home, but I was actually enjoying it. I was trying to be a bit ruthless. Got the stuff I wanted for the price I wanted, and yeah, now going to collect my burger. So we just got back. We're a little bit late for the farewell dinner. I've just been told that me, Matt and Sarah have to sit at the high table because yeah, it's like a goodbye dinner, so I'm a bit nervous. Not sure how much I'll be able to film, but let's see. So the answer to that is absolutely none at all. I had to sit at the high table, and it was just like a farewell dinner ceremony thing. And a kid comes up from each house, says something nice, and then we had to give a little speech about our time here, which is pretty emotional. Definitely nearly cried in front of like 90 kids, but we got there in the end. And then yeah, after that we came back. We all said, you know, what we've enjoyed about the trip amongst the volunteers. Jenny, the director, said some really nice words, and it was just a really nice way to round off an amazing trip. Easily the most surreal place I've ever been, and I can't wait to come back to Africa and Kenya in particular. The kids have been extremely humbling, and I've never met such a massive family. They really are united, and it's been an amazing week. But now it's time to go home. My flight is in a few hours. Thanks for watching if you've been paying attention to my vlogs this week. See you later.